Alright, good morning and welcome to day 2 of Mumbai, Ladakh and Mumbai. Today we are in Udaipur and थोड़ा लेट हो गया रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट करने में. We just got completed with उदयपुर की संकरी गलियाँ. And I mean Sankri. If you have watched Delhi 6, imagine that. And that is from where we are just coming out. मतलब अभी तो मेन रोड शुरू हो गया है, so this is like a regular city. But जो अभी गलियों से निकले हैं, that would have been a good sight to watch. निकलने में काफ़ी लेट हो गया है. It's 12:40 right now in the afternoon. तो पूरा मार्केट भरा हुआ है and people are out on the road. ये जो मेरे सामने होंडा वाला चल रहा है ना अभी, MH01 मुंबई का लौंडा है, बट क्लियरली ही इज़ नॉट बम्बईया इनफ. भाई इधर आके लोगों को सिखाना होता है कि हम मुंबई में गाड़ी कैसे चलाते हैं. दिस इज़ नॉट अ वेरी गुड एग्जांपल. दिस इज़ नॉट हाउ यू ड्राइव इन मुंबई. लेट मी शो यू हाउ यू ड्राइव इन मुंबई. यू ड्राइव लाइक दिस. दिस इज मुंबई. वी मेक द वे, वी डोंट मेक द वे फॉर, वी डोंट. अब दिया, छोड़ दो. मुझे कहना ये था कि हम बेसिकली रास्ता बनाते हैं, हम रास्ता निकलने के लिए रुकते नहीं हैं. बिकॉज पीपल फ्रॉम मुंबई हैव दैट हैबिट ऑफ सब कुछ जल्दी जल्दी करना. बिकॉज हमें जल्दबाजी बहुत होती है. एंड one thing out of Mumbai and not in metro cities. I mean, Udaipur might be a metro city. I don't know if it's considered one. But in general, Mumbai के बाहर में जगह भी जाते हैं, people they are very chill. उन्हें किसी बात की टेंशन नहीं होती. और दूसरी तरफ हम हैं जो हमेशा लेट होते हैं और हमें हर चीज़ की जल्दी होती है. अगर हम लेट नहीं भी होते फिर भी हमें जल्दी होती है. Because we lack patience. We're just not brought up with that level of patience. But that is also the lifestyle. ज़्यादा फिलोसॉफिकल हो रहा है. Coming back to the ride. So अभी हम जा रहे हैं पहले फ्यूल अप करने. The plan after that is after we fuel up we'll stop at a place called Driver. Correct me if I'm wrong. Or maybe someplace before that. I just found a really good cafe on the highway. We'll stop there for lunch. After that, we'll take another short break, like of 10-15 minutes at Ajmer. अरे भाई साहब. We'll stop at Ajmer for another 10-15 minutes break. Just not fuel particularly, but yeah, we might also get fuel at Ajmer. But the break would be for just to spread our legs, no pun intended. And then the destination for today is Jaipur. We are slightly lucky कि जयपुर ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है. It's just roughly 6 to 7 hours away from here. So even if we do get late, which we already have, it's almost 1. That's no problem. कवर अप हो जाएगा. दिक्कत की कोई बात नहीं है. ओके, फ्यूल स्टॉप. ओके, सो स्टार्ट ऑफ NH58 officially exiting Udaipur. So the place we're waiting, the place we're stopping at for lunch is 2 hours away from here, roughly 120 kilometers. Might take one break in between just for fluid top up, drink some water, because it's hot out here and it's humid. So in the morning when we were loading our bikes, I definitely would have lost liters in sweat. Very hot. Look at this. Such a beautiful road. Well paved. Mountains in the front. Blue skies. Fluffy clouds. This is in Rajasthan. In a matter of 2-3 days, the same exact thing, just with non-green mountains, will be in Leh. What amazing sights. I can't believe I'm still in Rajasthan. This looks partially like Kashmir. I can't really make you feel the temperature outside. It's hot. But yeah, the roads and the mountains and everything, it looks just like Kashmir. If you haven't ever been to Kashmir, well, this is Kashmir. First tunnel of the journey. It said no photography. There was a board there, but they didn't say anything about videography. So here we go, first tunnel of the ride. I think the exposure on this shot is gonna be fucked. I'm gonna have to do some work in post. But anyways, an underexposed shot is always better than an overexposed shot. When I told mom I wanted to go to Spa-Francorchamps, take a seat at the Eau Rouge, mom said we have Eau Rouge at home. Except I don't have the capacity.
As we don't have the capacity
to deal with this Eau Rouge. Kidnapping by a kid. डेंजर है. हाँ मी बॅरियर बघितला, तुला बघितलं, डायरेक्ट 3 गिअर खाली आलो. Sorry. बस कार्ड है. कार्ड है मेरा. कार्ड नहीं है तो मशीन क्या काम का? हाँ
काम नहीं कर.
बताना चाहिए पहले. क्यूआर दीजिए.
एक 200 रुपये डाल दे भैया. पुढे नॉनस्टॉप मारू.
193 किलोमीटर 3.5 तास.
आता इथून 3 तास दाखवतो.
मला 3.5 दाखवतोय.
ते असं काय स्टेटचा बोर्ड वगैरे दिसला ना तिकडे थांब.
अरे आपण स्टेट चेंज नाही करत आहे आज.
तिथे तरी दिसत चांगलं कारण त्याला पण बाईक सोबत दोघांचा नाही काढला.
उद्या काढू.
बॉर्डरला लागेल ना तो.
उद्या लागेल. आज नाही लागणार.
इनकेस आता कुठे लागला तर थांब.
आता उडत जाणार. दिसला तरी थांबता नाही येणार.
नाही नसेलच असं.
At this point, I don't know what I've shot and what I haven't, but look at that sunset. Phenomenal. Ooh. Look at that. Lush green beauty and setting sun. Amazing roads. Amazing sunset. This is the most stripped down truck I've ever seen in my life. reached and entered Jaipur city, and currently on Jaipur city's JJ flyover. Don't worry, bikes are allowed here, but for some reason, and this is a trend everywhere, driving manners aren't allowed. You are not allowed to have driving manners, but that's a part of the deal, I guess. With good roads, you get shit driving manners. Really good bridge, really good. And yes, it does remind me a lot of the JJ flyover. So while entering this bridge, I saw a sign that said no bullock carts, no pedestrians, and no cycles, which means these rickshaws are allowed, which is a headache. But okay, I guess I can't do anything. Again, see, driving manners. So far, Jaipur seems much better than Udaipur. But again, did not get enough time to roam around Udaipur. Not getting enough time to roam around Jaipur either. But this bridge and the in general city life, city space, Jaipur seems better. Plus, it's night, so I can't really see anything pink right now, except the banners. Hoping to see the pink city go pink in the morning tomorrow. See, rickshawala's headache. Bro is more interested in his phone call than giving us side. And obviously, I mean, phone calls are important. We don't know who he is talking to. And I think we should not judge and we should not guess. Yeah. Really cool bridge, double decker. Metro runs above on the second level. On the first level we are riding. I'm pretty sure there's a road down below us as well. Good planning, good planning. I don't want to imagine how many years it took to build this entire thing, but glad it was built before we arrived here, because this is really good. I'm loving this. Might just come on this bridge again without all the luggage on my bike, just to ride peacefully on this bridge. Just play some mellow music, keep the speed at around 70, and it's a peaceful time. Unfortunately, like all good things, peaceful time must also come to an end. The bridge ends here, the traffic starts again, and I'm not interested in showing you traffic, so thank you and bye bye for this.